been needing new bars ever since we cut them down as short as they were. At the beginning, I liked them short, but as time went on and I started to do whips and tabletops, I realized that they were way too short. I was also having trouble staying sturdy on the bike with smaller base bars. So I did a little research online to find some new bars that would fit my dirt jumper, and then I saw them. They looked amazing. So we headed out to the bike shop to go get these bars. Alright guys, so we just went to the bike shop. We went to the South Jordan Hangar 15 and we got some DEITY HIGHSIDE bars. These things have 50 mil raise and they come stock 780 millimeters wide. Before we went to the bike shop, I took apart everything on the front of my bike. I took off the brake lever, my grips, and my handlebars to be replaced with new ones. You want to tighten and loosen these crossed, basically. So what that means is you go from one corner and then you go from and then you tighten it on the opposite corner. So that way you don't squeeze the bars and you don't want to tighten it too tight either. I say that's pretty easy right there.
Yeah, keep tightening them.
Okay.
And then it'll be easy.
Now we were going to cut down the bars. We cut 15 millimeters off of each side. When you're cutting bars, you always want to cut them down in small bits. I recommend each cut you do between 5 and 15 millimeters so that way you don't cut your bars down too much. Alright, it's off.
That's probably good.
Yeah. Just go over it one more time just to see if all of the screws are good. Alright. It's done.
This thing looks so cool. Those look so much better.
So good. I probably shouldn't have done that without a helmet on, but
You've got the hat. Just kidding. I'm not gonna do anything.
alright, we've came to this park with a bunch of landings and we got our MTB hopper right here, so we're gonna test out some Sand Pilgrim magic. So let's do it. Whoa!
Oh man, you alright?
It worked!
I know.
Alright, so got a new helmet, finally. And now we've got these new sick bars. So we're gonna send it on this MTB hopper right here.
If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what. Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I'm like cop a farm and go act up. Scars, I was cold hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car, take it tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. These two ramps right here are so sweet, and these bars especially. These bars are so sick. What do you think of it, Dad?
What a setup. A little rough, but so much fun. Perfect.
Yeah. What do you think?
Your ramp's super good. I think my ramp is super good for the, like, taking it around as a backpack, because it's a backpack, but
yeah,
together,
if you set it on a hill, it makes it lengthens it,
and using them both together is fantastic.
But yeah, I really enjoyed this. The dirt jumper feels pretty good on this. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep hitting it.
Keep crushing it.
See ya.
If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro.